All right, here are with Tower Tech, and they have a really awesome display where you can actually see what's happening inside of that cooling tower, because normally you got to have that panel on when that fan is spinning. So this is a really cool display. So tell us about your cooling towers.
Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate that, Ty. Yeah, this is our what we call Baby Tech. So we're here at the AHR show showing our Tower Tech cooling tower. So when you look at Tower Tech and our operating demo behind me, you are talking about a cooling tower that's flipped the cooling tower world upside down. We're the only cooling tower in the world that has the fans on the bottom. So what that might mean to you is that if you're an owner, you don't have to go on top of the cooling tower to maintain the equipment. You can work on the cooling tower from grade level. It's easy to work on, easy to service. When we put the fan on the bottom with our patented technology, there was a chain reaction of design benefits that offered benefits to the owner, the consultant, and the contractor. Here is our modular Baby Tech unit. It's pultruded fiberglass. When you see a Tower Tech tower, one fan equals 100 nominal tons. We all go all the way up to a single 12-fan unit. Wow. So with the bottom-mounted fan design, you have a flow-through basin. So water flows through the tower at a high velocity. It keeps the solids in suspension. So the chemical treatment requirements on our tower are much less because we're keeping the water moving. So you can often run our tower at a higher cycles. You don't have to use much chemicals. And then if you can do that, you potentially can save water, bleed, or blow down. So we're showing the tower, the closed loop side here with a polymer coil. And then on the other side is our open loop tower. And we're showing it how it easily sets up. It goes on some legs that are structurally rated for 200 mile an hour wind loads. Wow. The tower can be assembled whether it's a 100-ton tower all the way up to a 1,200-ton tower in 1 hour. And no other manufacturer can make that kind of claim. Easiest tower to install in the world, fastest.
So when people think of HVAC, you're thinking of comfort cooling, maybe refrigeration, supermarket stuff, but also you have the towers. Now there's several aspects. You got engineers that design all of this side. You have also the people that's building it, the manufacturing, putting it all together. You got the people that do all the testing and the labs and the numbers, and then also all the people that go out and install this piece of equipment, and then all the people that maintain it. If you're talking about cooling towers, there's all this technology. Even in something as simple as a cooling tower, there's a lot of complex parts going into that. And from the side, from design all the way to putting on the building, servicing it, lots of HVAC jobs related to this right here. And I love how you've flipped the technology upside down. That's cool.
Yeah, thank you. Ty, one interesting thing, and this is something most people know but they don't really think about. If you just say, for example, buy a tower that costs you $100,000, what Tower Tech knows and has learned, in 4 to 5 years, you will spend 1 to 2 times what you paid for the cooling tower to operate the cooling tower. And so you pay $100,000 to buy the tower, you could spend up to $200,000 to run the tower. Why is that? Well, a cooling tower has a fan, it has the power, it has pump energy. You have to pump water up to the top into the cooling tower. You also have to purchase water to the cooling tower. Cooling towers evaporate water. And you actually have to add chemicals to the water, much like you do a swimming pool, right?
That's right.
And then when you're adding chemicals, you have to bleed and put fresh water into the tower. So you have drip loss and, of course, maintenance. So Tower Tech is really successful where we can get owners to look at all of those costs that are often maybe just not thought about, like pump energy, for example. Our pump energy is half of the traditional tower, and that cost never goes away. Yeah. So Tower Tech is usually able to show an ROI on a project versus even maybe a very, very cheaply constructed tower because of our technology. And if you could save 10, 20, 30%, up to 40% operations costs on that tower over even 5 years, you're going to show a payback on the cooling tower. Okay. And that's exactly what Tower Tech does for our owners and why we're successful.
And you're not have somebody just walk out and be like, oh, you need a new capacitor. You're not competing with Amazon on parts like you do in the residential side. So we're talking industrial stuff. Now, when I was working in cooling towers, they were all made of metal, galvanized, and they would corrode. And then with the stuff in that water, if it's not treated right, it would be an issue. So people would get cuts, and they ended up getting bacteria inside of them. So the fact that it's fiberglass, like, I'm a huge fan of that, like right off when you said fiberglass.
Well, yeah, fiberglass is great. So the cool thing, the fiberglass that we put on our tower, we use on our tower, is the biggest, baddest, strongest, most non-corrosive, UV resistant material in the world. It's so good, we actually make it here in the USA.
Oh, that's fantastic.
All right, I'd like to take credit for that, but our vendor, Creative Composites Group, Creative Pultrusions, bought Tower Tech 7 years ago.
Oh, wow.
So they moved our cooling tower plant right beside our fiberglass plant. So we make the cooling tower from A to Z in Bedford County, Pennsylvania, right here in the good old US of A. So when you buy our fiberglass, we are an original source for that. We're not importing it. We're buying it here. We're building it here. We're making it here. And that's why we offer the best warranty to back up our product, which is on the structure, unequaled in the industry, 15 years parts and labor on the FRP structure. So you get a completely non-corrosive tower that's going to last indefinitely when you buy TowerTech.
You got the coolest career and the hottest jobs right here, HVAC.